Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Pokemon Onix. Now, I'd like to start doing some more Pokemon videos, so if you have any ideas for different Pokemon that you'd like me to draw, definitely let me know in the comments below, and I'll try my best to draw all the different Pokemon, and even some more Pokemon surprise folds. But I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with Onix, we want to start with the eye. So beginning right here, let's make a little diagonal line like this. And then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and then up. We'll also draw a long line here and a little line coming out of the eye. Now over here, we're going to make another long line. And then right here we're going to make a line that comes down, and then we're going to make it nice and long to start the nose. Right here we're going to make a line that's going to come down and then over. Now starting here, we're going to come up, and we're going to come back over like this. Right here at the end of this long line, we're going to make a little line that goes over, and then we're also going to make a line that's going to come down and over here. Starting here, let's make a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to come in. We're going to come back out, and we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come over. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come up, and it's going to go over here. And then right over here, we're going to come up, and we're going to bring it over. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down. We're going to go over. We're going to come up, and then we're going to go over here. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go over, and then we're just going to bring it up. Next, we want to draw that big horn on his head. So starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come up. We'll come over a little bit. And then we're going to come down here. Then we'll just connect it to here. Right here, we're going to draw a nice long line that comes up. And we'll draw another little line over here. Then we just want to connect this line to the head. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up and that's going to curve around. And another little line that's going to do the same thing. We'll draw another little line that goes up and over. Then I'm going to make a little line that comes down inside each eye. Next, we want to work on the body. Now, we're going to be making some kind of rounder shapes for these boulders, but they're going to be kind of jagged at the same time, so you don't have to worry about them being perfect circles. So the first one, we're just going to make kind of like a bumpy, pointed little rock shape like this. Next, we're going to start another one up here. We're going to do pretty much the same thing. You can make them a little different, though. Now we're going to put a smaller one here. So we're going to start here this time, and we're just going to kind of curve this around, making it a little bit bumpy. Then we're going to have a bigger one back here. So we're going to make a little bit fatter circle shape over here. Then this next one's going to come down here. It's going to be a little bit smaller, so we're just going to make it kind of jagged and bumpy. We're going to put another one right over here. Now these are going to start to get a little bit smaller as they come down. We'll start one right here. We'll make another one over here. We're going to do another kind of bumpy one here. And then we'll do one more kind of roundish one right there. Now when we get down here, we're going to make some really small ones. So I'm going to do a really small one here and a really small one right there. I want to make one that's a little bit bigger and a little bit more oval shape. And then we're going to do one right here on the end. Now, once we have this drawn, we want to come in here and add some of the different little details on here. So let's finish up some details on the face. Onyx is going to have a little line here and then a little line right over here by his face. And another one right here and one there. We're also going to put a little line up here a little bit farther. Now, to make these rock shapes, we're going to make some little kind of broken lines around each one, and then you can also bring some lines inside here as well. So I like to just kind of find some bumps, and we just kind of make some extra little lines right around it. So you just kind of find these little bumps and then just make another little line or two in there. You can make some that come in a little bit more like this, and you can kind of connect some of them as well. So we're just going to kind of come in here and add some different little lines right around our rocks on our onyx body. And you don't have to put too many down here at the bottom ones because these are going to be a little bit smaller. And you just keep it real simple like this. And there you go, there is your drawing of Onyx from Pokemon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.